Today we have to perform experiment number 9 for section M. We have to draw the drain and transfer characteristics of JFET. So for drain characteristics you have to simply calculate VDS, which is across these terminals, and you have to measure the value of ID. So you will connect M meter here. So for drain characteristics, simply you have to change the value of VDD starting from 0 volt up to 20 volt maximum, and you have to measure VDS and ID simultaneously. And for transfer characteristics, you have to measure the value of VGS and the value of ID. So first, for drain characteristics, you will fix the value of VGS at 0 volt, and you will change the value of VDD and will measure ID. So you will perform this procedure 3 times. You will again fix VGS at minus 0.5 volt, and you will change VDD and measure ID. Then you will fix VGS at minus 1 volt, you will change VDD and you will measure ID. So these will be drain characteristics for JFET. Now for transfer characteristics, you have to fix the value of VDS using VDD. You will fix the value of VDS, let's say at 15 volt, and you will change VGS. VGS value will be in negative volts, as the gate to source terminal are reverse bias in the case of JFET and channel JFET. So you will change VGS from 0 to minus 5 volt with interval of minus 0.5, 0 minus 0.5, minus 1, minus 1.5, and you will measure the value of ID. So drain characteristics will be plotted on the positive side and transfer characteristics on the negative side of the graph. The table for this circle will be like this. For drain characteristics, you have to fix VGS value and measure the value of VDS by changing the value of VDD. And for transfer characteristics, you have to fix the value of VDS at 15 or 10 volts and change the value of VGS and measure ID. So the characteristics will be plotted on a graph paper. Drain characteristics, these are between ID and VDS, and the graph is like this. And transfer characteristics are between ID and VGS, and the graph is a parabolic curve. The value of VGS will be negative and VDS is positive. 6, 8, 10. So ID is in milliamperes. So you have to perform this experiment on Proteus. Using Proteus software, you have already performed the workshop experiments on Proteus software. So you will draw characteristics of JFET using Proteus. For Proteus help, you can find much material on internet. Many tutorials are being uploaded on YouTube, as well as there are tutorials available in short form. So any questions regarding this software, you can ask in the lab session. So this is end for this